Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, Best Foldable Kayaks. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So let's dive in. The kayak is among the leading water vehicles, which are used for recreational purposes. A person who has never used a kayak before will incur many costs when buying one, including transportation costs. This means that once you have bought your kayak, it must be stored properly to avoid incurring more costs. One of the best ways to store your kayak is folding it up and storing it. There are many manufacturers of foldable kayaks in the market. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research, and we review best foldable kayaks. Number 1, Oru Kayak Coast Best Overall. Number 2, Oru Kayak Basin Best Runner-Up. Number 3, Oru Kayak Inlet Best Budget. Number 4, Intex Challenger K1. Number 5, Sevylor Quikpak K1. Number 6, Sea Eagle 330. Number 7, Pros and Cons, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out Best Kayak Guide.